first of all.
Yes.
The question is that peace never comes from heart or soul, but it comes from mind. Because when we are prepared in our mind that yes, we have to attain something, then it comes from inside. Now the question is that we had a little talk and you explained us that what wisdom is, compassion is, and a number of things was said by you. But we listened to you. We had a talk with you, but we just listened to you, and after some times or a day or two, we shall, I think, I'm not sure, but I think that I'll forget whatever was said by you. So how to resist this quality, that how to resist that with the talk which we had in us? How to resist the quality?
Okay.
That only.
I think many students, you are quite reluctant for study.
Yes, of course.
I myself also, when I was young, 7, 8 year old, let's say, I was a very, very lazy student. So then some other people, you see, they pursue you for study. Then eventually you yourself get develop, the interest or interest. Then enthusiasm come for study. Then up to PhD, go like that. So similarly, these inner value, not just mere knowledge here. Now here I may touch the Buddhist tradition. There are 3 levels of awareness or understanding. First, through hearing. That not much stable. After you hear, then you yourself think more. And then gradually you develop the second level of awareness out of contemplation. Now that brings conviction. With conviction, that you will make effort constantly, familiarize these objects. Then your mind, then these are such as compassion, truly become part of your life. My own case, over 40 years, I familiarize these this value. Then gradually, these concepts truly something alive in your mind. So in order to know these things better, you should pay more attention about the whole map of emotion. Ancient Indian psychology, very rich. Now in modern India, not much pay attention. Even spiritual leaders. So once we have the fuller knowledge about the whole map of emotion, then we become better positioned to tackle this destructive emotion.
Okay.
Like that.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.